Hello, are you one of those who are wearing false teeth? Either a complete denture or a removable partial denture. So this video is the right one for you because I am going to tell you how to take the appropriate care of your dentures. So now you have just come home wearing those dentures and you have a little bit of discomfort, feeling something tight, somewhere pokey, and don't know how to really act or eat with them. So friends, here I am going to tell you what are the things that you have to do for the first few days after you are a new denture wearer and how to on a long run take right appropriate care of your this dentures. Come, let us have a look at this today's video.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah to get latest update on dental health and tips.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, now as I have been telling you that you have come home and have had this complete denture in your mouth or a partial denture in your mouth, and this is poking somewhere or there is some amount of discomfort, right? And you don't know how to start eating. So step number one will be, if you have any discomfort, if there is any bleeding, if there is a sharp thing that is poking you, stop wearing the denture immediately. Visit your dentist again. He might just level up things, remove the sharpness, smoothen up all the sharp edges and give the denture back to you, and this can be done within 15 to 20 minutes. So you don't have to really worry about it much. Now the step number two. This is in the concern of the food that you eat. So in the initial days when you wear the denture, you feel a different kind of tightness on your gums or the tissues which are below the dentures. And eating with it is a little bit difficult. I won't say difficult, but it needs a lot of practice, right? So friends, in the initial days, you have to start with baby particles. Like how a baby eats. So you will have a small morsel of your roti and a small amount of your sabji and then have it. Or if you're having dal rice, sandwiches, burgers, XYZ things. So it has to be small quantity cut down into small pieces and then you can easily have it. Now you will say that it takes longer time to eat my food then. It's okay. This is just a matter of 5 to 6 days. Then you can start and switch to your normal routine of eating because the dentures have been used to, your muscles have been used to this new teeth and you can easily eat with them. Also, I would recommend that in the first 2 or 3 days you eat soft food or take soft diet like soups and khichdis because you don't have to really starve then. So this was if you're a new denture wearer. Now the caring tips are general for a new denture wearer also and the one who are wearing it for longer duration also. So these are the caring tips. Step number one, make sure that after every meal, after whatever you eat, you remove your dentures, clean it under the water and then wear them back. Now, when you're doing this, make sure that you have a place where you're cleaning your dentures is very safe so that when they drop, they don't break. So how can you make them safe is by keeping a towel and then cleaning it on them, or there is water you have to or by collecting some water in the sink so that when they drop they float on that water and then cleaning them. So that's how they don't break or there is no damage done to your dentures. Now this was about cleaning the denture. The step number two is cleaning your mouth. Yes, of course it is important. It is not that you are wearing false teeth so you should not clean your mouth because you're cleaning your false teeth. No, you have some adhesives that have been put up, some chemicals, some food that goes inside the denture if the denture is not tight, or your saliva which becomes sticky. So XYZ things, you need to clean these gums properly. How is that going to happen? You have to take a gauze piece, roll it around your finger and properly clean all the gums, roof of the palate, the tongue, and keep your mouth very much clean because in denture wearers, Candida fungus is very much common that happens, and that is because of not keeping your dentures and your mouth clean. So make sure that this does not happen in your case. Now, how are you supposed to clean the dentures? Now, after every meal, as you clean your dentures, it is very much important at least once in a day you brush your dentures, and that has to be done with a mild toothpaste and a soft bristle toothbrush. Make sure that the brush is soft bristles. It is very much important. So a soft bristles toothbrush, and you clean up your denture at least once in a day. In the case of brushing with the dentures, make sure that you don't only brush the teeth or on the front part, but also the inside, the roof palate part or the tongue part. All these areas of the dentures have to be cleaned. Now the next care that you have to take is soaking up your dentures. Why has your dentist recommended you soaking up of dentures? It is because dentures, or the material from which the dentures is made, has a tendency to crack if they go dry. Yes, if they are moist and they are well ventilated area, moist area, if they are kept, nothing is going to happen to your dentures. But if they are exposed to a lot of heat or to dryness, then they wrap, that is, they change their shape, they shrink around, and there are chances that it might just break also. So it is very much important that these dentures are kept in a moist environment, and that is water. Or there are different chemical solutions which are available. Your dentist might also have recommended you a few. So these solutions help the denture to chemically keep them clean and avoid staining on them. So it is at least 3 or 4 times in a week you can keep them in denture in some solution, denture cleaning solution, or you can keep it in plain water. Now I have seen many people who are traveling around, they just wrap it in some tissue or some cloth. No, it is not recommended, because your dentures do change shape, and then you have to completely replace them because they become of no use. So it is important that you keep it moist. Okay. Now the next tip is that you are wearing the dentures, if you are using some adhesives, it is very much important when you remove them, you clean your gums also, the underlying tissues also, and the denture area also. Take good care of the denture. Do not try to bend the denture or bend some clasp, the steel wires that you see, because they are made to perfectly fit your mouth. And if something is changed, then they become difficult to fit in your mouth, and then you have to rush to the dentist. Then you have to rush to your dentist to get it corrected. If your dentures have become stained because of long use of time, or they have become worn out, then it is very much important that you visit your dentist, get the worn out dentures replaced and the stained dentures cleaned, because that is going to give a very bad appearance of your false teeth. Also, worn out dentures are not to be worn because of muscular changes in your mouth, and your mouth becomes habituated to eat at that level. Yes, you might think that how much it does matter, like if I have 1 or 2 mm of change in the levels of the mouth, it does matter a lot. Like imagine just a small piece of stone causing discomfort in all your teeth. Yes, same way the levels changing cause a lot of stress and discomfort on your jaws and muscles of the mouth. So make sure that you visit your dentist every 6 months, get your dentures cleaned and checked, and keep them in a good state. Also, now the next question that comes up is, how much time can I wear these dentures? It is not recommended to wear your dentures 24/7. You have to give them a rest of at least 6 to 8 hours, because the tissues underlying do need some rest to come back and to get into proper functioning. If you continuously wear them, the tissues below are under constant pressure, and it becomes difficult and they become loose enough faster. Now many dentists recommend removing the dentures at night, but some people are not comfortable with it, so you have to find your own time, but give them a good amount of 6 to 8 hours of rest. So friends, this was a short and quick video on how to take care of your new dentures. So if you have liked my video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. And friends, I am here to help you out. So if you have any questions, please write it down in the comment section below and I'll surely answer it. This is my email address, and here you can mail me also. So me and my team will definitely try to answer and reach out to you. If you have any questions related to your oral health, then here I am to help you out. Be free and write down your question in the comment section. I am making videos in English on Mondays and in Hindi on Thursdays. So whichever language you're comfortable, do not forget to watch the videos and make sure you come back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy and healthy smile. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay beautiful. Thank you.